Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making white chicken chili, and basically what you are going to need for that is some chicken breast or boneless skinless chicken thighs. Today I'm using some chicken breast, some basic seasonings, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and ground cumin, an onion, can of Rotel, which is diced tomatoes and green chilies, some chicken broth. I'm just going to use this chicken bouillon granulated powder, and then also some beans of your choice. I'm using black beans, and then I'm also doing a can of diced green chilies in addition to the Rotel, even though that already has green chilies, but I really like the flavor, so I'm adding in a can. And then you're also going to need a packet of ranch or 3 tablespoons from the canister, and a block of cream cheese. So let's get into it. Chicken breast in the crock pot, and to that I'm going to add in my seasonings, which is the packet of ranch, and then I did a teaspoon of each of the cumin, chili powder, onion powder, and garlic powder, and then 3 teaspoons of the chicken bouillon powder, because I'm going to do 3 cups of chicken broth, my can of Rotel, can of green chilies, they're mild, half a diced onion, and 1 can of black beans drained and rinsed. Add in my 3 cups of chicken broth. Last step is to add in my block of cream cheese. I'm just going to pop that in. And then a lot of people do add corn. My husband doesn't like corn, so we're not going to do that, but that is something else you could add to it also. So I'm going to let this cook for my crock pot probably 3 to 4 hours until the chicken shreds apart nicely. And usually you probably do 3 to 4 hours on high, and then like 4 to 5 hours on low for like anyone else's, but my crock pot runs pretty high, so I just know how to time it out like that. So I will see you when this is done and ready to serve up. So this is done, and actually I took out one of the chicken breasts. I'm shredding it right now. It's been going for a little under 3.5 hours, and the chicken is up to temp, so I'm ready to shred it. But I added 3 tablespoons of flour and water, so I made a little flour slurry just to thicken it a touch, because I don't like it too liquidy. I want it to kind of stick to the chicken and all the stuff that's in there. So I'm just going to shred up the chicken and add it back in and plate it up and show you guys the finished product. Here's the finished product. This is my son's bowl, but I topped it with some tortilla chips, and it's really good, and I like the texture. The texture is good when you add the 3 tablespoons of flour, so I recommend doing that. And if you try this, let me know. I really recommend this recipe. It was delicious. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.